Hello, this is our group 8 from BC18 for the Entremet Project. I'm Doni Lukito as a pastry chef.
And I am Andre Satria.
I'm Deden Jayadi as the sous chef.
And I, Christopher Island Cook.
Entremet planning. Our entremet title is Stunning Autumn Entremet. The entremet that we're going to make based on the theme that we think amazing in condition, that is autumn season. Based on the autumn theme, our group going to use the color that really suitable and represent autumn, that is brown. The flavor of our group entremet is chocolate and yuzu. Our group think that in the autumn season people would like to eat something that tastes very sweet and very soury like chocolate and yuzu, and also those flavor combine really well, as like we see on chocolate product that is orange chocolate, that the flavor combining really well.
Shape, texture and flavor. The shape that our group going to use for the instrument is a normal size cake, 8-inch round cake. We are using this type of shape so our group can put some decoration on top of the cake without blocking the whole cake itself. For the instrument texture, usually is going to be stack of cake, mouse, sponge cake, jelly, mouse, and lastly the shining glaze. Our group going to make a nuts base for the instrument, and after that we are going to put the chocolate mousse on top of the base so it will become crunchy and smooth at the same time. And after putting the mousse, we are going to place our jacon as our sponge cake, and after that our caramelized orange jelly to enhance the flavor of the yuzu. Color. For our entremet color, the cake itself will be yellowish brown. It is because the mousse that our group using is based on the chocolate and yuzu, and also there will be some other brown color that we have given by caramelized orange and nuts.
And for the main ingredients, there are a lot of ingredients that our group need, especially for the mousse and for the caramelized item. First one is the sugar. Sugar is probably we use it for all of the things like the yuzu, chocolates, caramelized nut, and caramelized orange. The second one is the yuzu puree. Yuzu puree is the most important items because we need it for the outer layer of our entremet itself. And the third one is chocolate. Chocolate is we use it for the mousse. So we put it after the sponge jacon cakes, and the nuts. The nuts we use it for the caramelize, and then we put it on the base. Orange we caramelize it and then we make it to become our jelly, and the cream we use it for the yuzu puree and chocolate to make the mousse. 7. The glucose and condensed milk is for the shining glaze itself. Those ingredients is pretty much the core item of the component of our entremet cake.
And then the illustration of the entremet. Based on the picture that we have made, the illustration of the cake, the first outer layer is the glazing, shining glaze, and after that the second layer from the outer shell is yuzu mousse, and after that we put caramel's orange as the jelly. Under the caramel's orange is our sponge cake, that is jocon, and under the jocon we put some chocolate mousse so it make contrast with the yuzu mousse, and for the base we make caramelized nut. illustration from the glazing or from the top of it. Our group going to use two base of color, that is yellow and red. From the color, we're going to make also the orange glazing by combining the two colors. The colors is to represent the color or the vibe of the autumn season. Job delegation planning. I'm Doni Lukito as a pastry chef. There is Darian Cahyadi as a sous chef, Henry Satria as the artist chef, and the demi chef itself is Christopher L. Product planning, product presentation planning. First of all, our group will cover up the table with some orange colored cloth to make the tables look clean enough, so we can put the cake on top of it. And for the decoration, our group imaging the condition of the autumn season, so we came up with some shaped chocolate, and some of it we colored with the food coloring to make it look like a real branch or leaf that fall in the autumn season. I think that pretty much the decoration that we are going to do for the presentation planning on the test that we are going to hold at the week 13. So that's all for our group Entremet project from group 8. I'm Don Lukito as a pastry chef. Thank you.